King formula of Microsoft Excel. Today we are discussing Vlookup, that is the king formula of Microsoft Excel. Here is some data. I will show you the code, company and location. We will just enter code and find company and name address by using Vlookup is equal Vlookup and click on the code lookup. So start here with comma and table array. We will select all the table, comma, we want to search in second column, so we will add 2 and comma and press 0 and press enter. So you can see here as we enter code there is the name change. We will apply this formula to the third column for location, and here we will change only number 2 column to number 3 column, and you can see that there is a location also mentioned in address cell. So by this way you can use VLOOKUP and find everything in every column